Hi there, I'm Mahendran Reddy from the National Additive Manufacturing Innovation Cluster, also fondly known to many of you as NAMIC. I will be your host live streaming on NAMIC Global AM Summit 2020 this coming 21st and 22nd of October. As you can see, we are very busy preparing for it. Join me and the other esteemed presenters at the two-day summit where we will dive into topics such as sustainability and emerging applications within additive manufacturing. We look forward to seeing you there online.